welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fancia, and if today is your first time here, you welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today, darling. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Click on the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a video. And to all my returning subscribers, thank you for joining me again today. Please don't forget to turn on the post notification bell to always get notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you again for joining me today. I love you all. Mwah. So today I'm gonna be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm gonna be creating this look. But before that, I'm gonna share with you guys where I got my amazing hair from. Definitely, I know you guys are already eyeing my hair. Some of you already eyeing my hair. This hair is beautiful. I love the color. The texture is just 100%. So I can't really pronounce the name of the hair vendor, but I'm gonna put it on the front of this video, so you go follow up on Instagram and get some amazing beautiful hair, and you're gonna come back and thank me later. And let's get down to today's tutorial. You know what time it is. If you're ready, if you're interested, you definitely want to keep watching. Welcome back again, guys, to another tutorial video. I miss you guys so much. Sorry guys, I haven't posted for some time now. I've been really busy. I didn't want to talk on this video, but I had to, because I just want to say thank you to you all for celebrating me on my birthday. Thought my birthday was like 3 months back, but I just had the time to post a thank you video. Just know that this video is a thank you video. So guys, thank you all so much. I saw all your messages, all your wishes. Thank you for celebrating with me, guys. Honestly, the love was so massive. Like, I don't even know how to explain it. That I was so happy. Thank you all so much. And the video, yeah, note that all the product I used in this video, I have used most of them on my previous video, but I just tried to add some of the products on the front of the video. But guys, make sure you check the description box, okay, because I'm gonna write them all the product down on the description box. So let me know what you think about the video on the comment section. Thank you once again, and I love you guys. Enjoy. Mwah. And so guys, I hope you love this video. I hope you learned something new, and if you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share, comment, let me know what you think about this video on the comment section. And you can try to create this look. It's not a difficult one, honestly. I created this look in less than 25 to 30 minutes. No, it wasn't up to 30 minutes, I think 25 minutes. So you can try it out, and if you want to, you can tag me on my Instagram address at JamF3, and please follow me up. And as you do, God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe again. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.